Alright, so now in this lesson, I'm going to talk about how you can start swing trading in the stock market. And I'll be honest, this is really simple. It's not as complicated as you may think. I do it sometimes. I don't really do it that much, but it is something that is good to do sometimes if you want to just make some extra money. So basically all swing trading is buying a stock at a lower price and then selling it after one day for a higher price. So you could sell the stock after a week, a couple of weeks, or even months, depending on how high it goes and when you decide to sell it. So for example, let's say you bought Apple stock at 116 on November 25th, and then you decided on December 15 you'd sell it for 127. Well, there you go, that's a swing trade, and you made a pretty small profit, but you still made a profit. That is basically just what swing trading is. So you buy low and then you sell high, and I'll show you kind of the technique you can do in order to buy low and then sell high. So basically what you want to do for swing trading is you want to monitor a group of stocks. So basically have a watch list of stocks that you watch every single day, and make sure these are good stocks, though they're well-established brands and you know that they're going to recover and they're going to keep on going up long term. Now once you watch these stocks every single day, you're going to notice that the stock is at a price, so it's basically maybe lying around like 120 for example, and it's been like that for maybe like a couple weeks or a month. So for example, we can say maybe Apple was kind of around $120, $126. So what you want to do is you want to watch a stock every single day, but then once you see the stock has actually gone down from the price that it usually is at, then that would be a good time to buy. So I'll just give you a quick example. So let's say you've been watching BMO for like a couple of days or a week, and you see that the price that is usually at is like $97. But then let's say like a week later you see it drops a little bit to like $96. Well, that's a good time to probably buy it. So you buy it at 96, and then you hope that it's going to recover, go back up to 97 or even higher, and then when it does go up to 97, as you can see here, that's when you can sell it. And sure, it may not be a lot, but you're still making a little profit. Alright, so I'll give you another example. So here's this stock right here, and this stock has been around the price of like 25, 28, 27. So if you see that it dips below 23, 22, that will be a good time to buy. And that's when I actually bought this one. I bought it around $22, and now it's at 25. So I could sell it right now and make a profit, and so that would basically be a swing trade. So really all it is buying low and then selling high. But of course, you have to monitor the stock for a little bit of time, and then once you do notice that it drops in price a little bit, and you do believe it's going to go up again, then you might as well just buy it, and then wait for it to go up, and then sell it for a profit. Now, you obviously don't have to swing trade. This is optional. This is just another way to make money if you want to, and you know the technique now if you ever do want to try it out. It's not really like anything crazy. It's not like you're going to lose money. As long as you don't sell at a loss, just keep on holding until it goes back up, and then once it goes back up, you can sell. But this is just like a simple thing. Everyone does it. So it's up to you if you want to try it out for yourself. And I'll be honest, you might not make a lot of money with this, especially, if you don't have a lot of money to put in the beginning, then it's not like you're going to make so much money, but obviously with time, every profit you make is going to add up, and so it just gets better with time. So obviously now what you want to do is just make a watch list of good companies that you're going to watch every single day, and if you do see that they drop in price sometime, you can go ahead and purchase a couple of shares and then sell it when it goes back up, and that would just be the swing trade. And that's all for this lesson, so I'll see you guys in the next lesson.